Once upon a time, in the bustling streets of 19th century Paris, there lived a group of daring entrepreneurs who were about to change the world of fashion forever. Meet Madame Claire and Monsieur Jacques, the dynamic duo behind the scandalous revolution of the lingerie industry. Madame Claire was a visionary seamstress with a flair for the dramatic, while Monsieur Jacques was a mastermind marketer with a knack for stirring up controversy. Together, they concocted a plan to shake up the world of undergarments with their daring designs and scandalous marketing tactics. Their first creation, the infamous Whispering Lace Corset, adorned with delicate lace that whispered secrets of seduction to anyone who dared to wear it. The scandalous garment flew off the shelves faster than a Parisian pigeon chasing a croissant. But Madame Claire and Monsieur Jacques didn't stop there. Oh no, they were just getting started. With each new creation, they pushed the boundaries of fashion and decency, shocking and delighting Parisian society in equal measure. Their lingerie empire grew rapidly, attracting attention from all corners of society. From royalty to revolutionaries, everyone wanted a piece of the scandalous action. But as with all great tales of success, jealousy and betrayal lurked in the shadows. Rival designers schemed to sabotage Madame Claire and Monsieur Jacques' empire, spreading rumors and lies to tarnish their reputation. Yet, through sheer determination and a sprinkle of Parisian charm, Madame Claire and Monsieur Jacques emerged victorious, proving that nothing could stand in the way of true fashion greatness. And so, dear viewers, the legacy of Madame Claire and Monsieur Jacques lives on, inspiring generations of lingerie designers to embrace scandal and secrets in the name of fashion. So, if you want to stay ahead of the fashion curve and indulge in a little scandalous luxury, get ready to embrace your inner fashionista and join the lingerie revolution of 2024. Remember, darlings, in the world of fashion, the only rule is to stay fashionable. Check out our YouTube video for lingerie shopping ideas and join the lingerie revolution of 2024. Link in the description box below. And there you have it, the scandalous and hilarious tale of the lingerie industry's secrets and scandals.